this time I thought I'd take the opportunity to share another few items of what's in the box. It strikes me that everything in today's society is just throwaway. Everything is throwaway. There ain't nothing that ain't throwaway. And what do I mean by that? I was going through these boxes of junk up there. I don't know where to start first. But it occurred to me that all this stuff that you consider junk today is things that I worked hard for. I worked to work every day, and I provided these items to my family for their entertainment or their livelihood or their well-being. Things like televisions, stereos, them Walkmans, video games, they're all throwaway. That's where they all wound up, in the trash. Electronics, you name it, it's all throwaway. Everything has been replaced. And it kind of irks me. I'm not really a hoarder, but things that I just can't bring myself to throw away. Here's a couple examples right here. A couple of walkie-talkies. I think I bought these one year when we were using CB radios and driving two different cars. We could talk back and forth with each other without having to get on the radio and everybody listening to it. It's got a range close enough you can talk from one car to the other. But from the weight of them, I got a hunch I left batteries in them. So I threw them in the box to come down here. They're all covered with dust from years of laying in a box. I'd almost guarantee you the batteries are going to be corroded in these. And it'll be a project to try to get them working back. But you might consider it throwaway junk. Why is it throwaway? Because the cell phone has replaced just about everything, including walkie-talkies. Various other electronic items. I got a couple more in the box. We'll be going through them. But I don't want to get this in the box session too long. Here's a couple of, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, look like C-cell batteries. Now, you know, they've been laying out a box up there, never used, because whatever appliance we bought them for got put away and don't get used anymore. Probably a 8-track player or cassette player, or could have been a DVD player, I don't know. So these batteries have probably been laying in a box up there, I don't know, 20 years. And I'm just curious, before I toss them in the trash, do they have any power in them? Let's test them. But it's a throwaway society, my friends. Everything is throwaway. But for me to admit that things I worked really hard for, to provide my family, for me to admit that they're throwaway items would be to admit that I am throwaway. The things, you know, your kids grow up and gone, they don't think about it, they're on with their lives, but I feel like I'm not throwaway. So things that I worked for over the years are not throwaway. Even though you find them useless, I'm going to find a use for them somewhere in my life. I just don't want to feel like that I'm throwaway. I think what I did, worked so hard for all them years, was worthless. See what we get on this. Might have to turn the meter on. Maybe I got it set wrong. Come back here. How about that? Been in a box 20 years. I'm just guessing. Might have been 15. Still got 1.5 volts in it. That's awesome. Let's see, was there an expiration date on the box? Put this down before I drop it. 8 alkaline batteries, 1.5 volts, mini. Best if installed by March 2003. So these batteries have been in my possession since prior to 2003. You know they weren't expired when I bought them. Could have been as far back as 2000. That battery got 1.5 volts in it. Let's check them all. .5. I forgot which one I checked. I got them mixed up. Let's check them all again. 1.53. Now, I don't expect it would hold up as long as a new one would, but it's definitely got power in it. 1.53. The wind must be sitting off my driveway, or I don't think the dog is running up and down the road. 1.062. That one's bad. Yeah, the chemicals in here could even be leaking by this time, but 1.52. I'm going to say that's good. So we got 4 good batteries out of 5 after 20 years in a box. What does that tell you about Duracell? Duracell alkaline batteries. They're well worth what I paid for them. I appreciate y'all tuning in today to What's in the Box. Box Pwalpar say we'll catch you on the next one.